So this is how you can delete a website from Hostinger. The first thing is obviously to be logged into your Hostinger account, and you want to come to websites here, and you want to come to the website list. So this is where you find all the websites that you currently have attached to your domain. So this is going to depend on the number of websites you have and your hosting plan. So you just want to select the particular website that you want to delete. So I'm going to delete this first one on top. So you come to these three dots by the website. Each of them, they all have these three dots. So you click on that three dots. Here you can do a lot of things, but we just want to delete. So you come here, you click on delete, and it tells you that all the website data will be permanently deleted. This includes your free email too, and all of that. So you say good, I'm fine with that, and you click on delete, and it's going to be deleted. So the website is being deleted. It can take up to 10 minutes for it to be deleted. Click on done, and this website will be deleted. So this is how you delete a website from Hostinger. I hope this video was helpful. Please like the video.